Wow, so big. Something that you will really enjoy.
What's that?
Yeah, find something that you can play for a long time. Dragons, dinosaurs.
Ito po.
Oh,
Amazing day.
amazing day po. Eh, ano pala to? Toy Kingdom ba to?
Hindi. There's some toys.
Ah.
Wait. Toys. Do you have something in mind that you want to buy? Hindi na siya ano sa toys. Ano ma'am, Jeff?
Wala na nga eh.
Wala na siya.
Puro na kasi laro sa computer.